Hey there, motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bikezone, where we dive deep into the world of bikes, covering everything from the latest models to essential reviews. Today we have a special treat for you. We're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Honda CRF300L. Whether you're an off-road veteran or a newcomer looking for your first dual sport bike, the CRF300L has a lot to offer. So, let's get started and see why this bike is making waves in the off-road community. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to design, the 2025 Honda CRF300L features a sleek and modern look. Honda's CRF line has always been known for its aggressive, race-inspired aesthetics, and the CRF300L continues that tradition. The minimalist approach to the design doesn't sacrifice comfort or performance. The bodywork is slim and easy to maneuver, which is important for riders who spend time navigating tricky off-road trails. The bike has a more compact frame, making it ideal for a wide range of riders, especially those who are looking for a bike that feels light and agile, even in tough conditions. Despite its smaller size, the CRF300L offers plenty of comfort for longer rides. The seat is designed with ergonomics in mind, providing support for both standing and sitting positions. It's not too soft, but it's firm enough to give you the right balance for off-road control without being uncomfortable on the road. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 Honda CRF300L is its 286cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected single-cylinder engine. Honda has increased the engine capacity compared to the previous CRF250L, giving it an additional boost in power. This bike now produces around 27 horsepower, which is an impressive figure for a bike of its size. With this power, the CRF300L can easily tackle tight trails, steep climbs, and longer highway stretches. The engine features a smoother power delivery thanks to a refined fuel injection system, improving throttle response and overall riding experience. When combined with the 6-speed gearbox, the CRF300L provides the kind of flexibility that riders need for varied terrains. Whether you're crawling over rocks in the woods or opening up on a winding highway, this engine offers enough torque to keep you moving confidently. What stands out about the CRF300L's engine is its versatility. It doesn't just shine on the trails. The smooth power delivery makes it a great option for daily commuting as well. Technology and features. The 2025 Honda CRF300L comes equipped with several modern features that enhance the riding experience. One of the standout features is its full digital LCD display, which provides essential information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip data. The display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, making it practical for all riding conditions. Another great feature is the fuel injection system, which provides improved fuel efficiency and easier starting, even in cold weather. This is particularly important for riders who want a hassle-free experience when heading out on adventures. Suspension and handling. Honda knows that handling is crucial when it comes to dual sport bikes, and the CRF300L excels in this area. It comes equipped with a long travel suspension system with a 43mm inverted fork in the front and a Pro-Link monoshock rear suspension. This setup is designed to soak up the bumps and uneven surfaces encountered during off-road riding while maintaining excellent stability and comfort. The front fork offers 9.8 inches of travel, while the rear shock provides about 9.4 inches. This means that the CRF300L is capable of handling rough trails, rocks, and even mud with ease. Additionally, the bike's handling on road is equally impressive. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and responsive suspension, the CRF300L is easy to control at slower speeds, making it an excellent bike for both technical off-road sections and highway riding. Overview of the Honda CRF300L. The Honda CRF300L is Honda's latest offering in the dual sport category, aimed at providing riders with the perfect balance between off-road capability and on-road comfort. The CRF300L is an evolution of the previous CRF250L, now with more power, better features, and increased versatility. For 2025, Honda has taken everything that made the CRF250L great and enhanced it, making it an even more appealing choice for those who want to conquer a variety of terrains. It's powered by a 286cc single-cylinder engine, offering a solid performance upgrade over its predecessor. Whether you're taking it to the trails or commuting to work, the CRF300L aims to deliver a smoother and more powerful ride across both off-road and urban environments. Let's dive deeper into the engine specs and performance details to see how it really holds up. Braking system. For a bike that's built for both off-road and on-road riding, braking is a critical factor. The 2025 Honda CRF300L features a strong braking system designed to give riders the confidence to tackle any terrain. It comes with a 256mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc brake, both of which are mounted on strong hubs to resist damage from off-road riding. The braking system offers solid stopping power, but one of the real advantages is the feel. The brake levers are designed to be responsive, with a good amount of feedback. This makes it easier for riders to modulate braking power, whether they're descending a steep trail or slowing down for city traffic. For added stability and control, the CRF300L also comes with ABS, which can be switched off when riding off-road for optimal control. Tires and wheels. Tires and wheels are essential components for any off-road bike, and Honda has equipped the CRF300L with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, standard for dual sport bikes. These wheels are paired with off-road tires that offer excellent grip in loose dirt, sand and mud. The tires provide great traction, helping the bike stay grounded even in tricky conditions. The CRF300L also offers tubeless tires which help reduce the likelihood of punctures on rugged terrain. This small but important feature adds to the bike's overall reliability and ensures you can spend more time riding and less time repairing flats. Price and value. When it comes to price, the 2025 Honda CRF300L remains competitive in the dual sport category. It offers a solid balance of performance, durability, and features at a reasonable price. The CRF300L is priced around $5,500, which is a great value considering the power, suspension, and versatility you get. For riders looking for an affordable entry into the world of off-road and dual sport riding, the CRF300L offers one of the best value propositions in its class. It's ideal for beginners who want to explore dirt trails or more experienced riders looking for a dependable bike to expand their riding horizons. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 2025 Honda CRF300L is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to experience the best of both worlds off-road adventures and daily commutes. With its powerful engine, versatile suspension, modern features, and solid build quality, the CRF300L is ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike offers a great mix of performance, value, and fun. If you're considering a dual sport bike, the 2025 Honda CRF300L should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to BikeZone, and we'll see you next time with more motorcycle reviews and updates.